This is the all-new DJI Neo 2. I bought it from the DJI store here in New York City, DJI NYC. It was pretty expensive, which is not ideal, but this is what comes in the box. This was wrapped in plastic, but I opened it to be able to charge it. It comes with 2 extra replacement propellers, and it comes with their plastic manual, some screwdrivers to be able to change out the propellers, stickers, some other stuff. I think the US-based ones, the only place you can buy it in the US is DJI or eBay.com, which is like not official. And then also inside we have, yep, that was the plastic wrap that came with it, and then a USB-C to USB-C cable, which I am probably never going to use. So we'll keep these. Most likely we'll throw this stuff, some of this stuff away. This version is just the aircraft, 1 battery, propeller guards, and it should be able to track us. So we're gonna check that out, test it. Let me know what kinds of experiments you want to see me run with this. I think it'll be very interesting to use this to film me running and biking. It's just a matter of how do you carry this with you while you're running and biking when you're not using it as a filming device. It has a USB-C port on the back. We've got obviously these LiDAR scanners to make sure it doesn't crash, some air ventilation. We've got these buttons right here. This looks like a record button. The battery right here, you just press the sides and this comes right out. So this is the size of the battery. It says DJI on there. You can press this button and it lights up how much juice it has. You can see the charging pins. It feels much lighter. The battery actually is almost, if not heavier than the camera itself. We've got the camera here, the gimbal moves side to side, up and down. It looks like we got sensors on the front here too. You can control this with your palm. So you can be like, hey, follow me this way, that way, and it will move up, down, which I will have to test out to see how it actually works. But this is the brand new DJI Neo 2. It looks clean. You should be able to just lift it off your palm, let it fly, and control it with your hands. So I'm excited to test this out. We'll have a link down below. Subscribe if you want to see future videos, and comment down questions you have about this in the description. Peace.